Hi ADHD friends, ready to become Gutsy Cooks? Let's start now. Hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll never miss a recipe. Hi Gutsy Cooks, today I have creamy lemon pie. This will take 15 minutes of active attention. You will need to refrigerate it for 3 hours before enjoying it. It is refreshing and really fun to make. Gather your equipment and ingredients. The equipment and ingredients you're going to need today are a medium mixing bowl, a hand grater, which is a small grater, juicer, liquid measuring cup, a sieve, measuring spoons, a whisk, a spatula, 3 lemons, 1 egg, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and a half a tub of Cool Whip, and a prepackaged graham cracker pie crust. Feel free to also make a graham cracker pie crust, but for this recipe, I'll be using one that's already made. We're going to get ready and prepare the ingredients. Grate the zest from 1 lemon to get half a tablespoon of lemon zest. Look at the picture. This might not be something you're familiar with doing. You're going to want to clean the outside of that lemon really well, maybe using a vegetable brush, and then you're going to grate it, but it really adds a lot of flavor to the pie, so please don't skip this step. Next, cut the lemons in half and juice the lemons. I just use a hand juicer. It really isn't that much of an effort. It's probably more effort to clean an electric juicer than to just use a hand juicer for this. Next, you're going to pour the juice through the sieve into the liquid measuring cup to make sure you get the pulp and the seeds out. You don't want to put that in your pie. You're going to end up with about half a cup of lemon juice or maybe a little less, which is just fine for this recipe. Let's combine these yummy ingredients. In the mixing bowl, whisk the egg, then add the sweetened condensed milk, the lemon juice, and the zest. Whisk all of those until well combined, counting to about 30. Use a spatula to remove half of a tub of Cool Whip and add it to the mixing bowl. Fold into the lemon mixture with the spatula. You can also use the whisk here. You really want to get it really combined. I would even do a count of 45 because otherwise you'll end up with streaks of lemon and Cool Whip, and that is not the idea. So you really want to keep mixing until you don't see any yellow streaks through your white Cool Whip. Then you're going to pour this mixture into the graham cracker crust and then take your spatula and make it nice and smooth and pretty on top. Usually this would be the heating step, but this time we're going to refrigerate. Refrigerate for 3 hours. If you don't wait the whole 3 hours, chances are when you cut into it, it will not have set yet. So please wait those 3 hours. Finish and serve. Cut the slices as you serve them. Serve them on a dessert plate with a dessert fork, which is the short one. You can also put some additional Cool Whip or whipped cream on top or a little slice of lime or lemon on the side to make it look pretty. Extra fancy. You can add blackberries, blueberries, or raspberries around the edge of the pie for extra decoration and flavor. It really makes it pretty and a nice addition to your table. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe as much as I have making it for you. This is a recipe that I learned when I was a little girl, and it has always been a great addition, especially to a heavy meal. It's refreshing, cleanses the palate, and I hope you enjoy it as well. If you like this recipe, please subscribe. Thank you for your time and attention. Now go get gutsy.